Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a customer registration form in Shopify. This is a fantastic way to gather important information from your customers, streamline their shopping experience, and keep your business organized. Collecting key details up front can save you time and reduce errors later, especially when it comes to shipping or customer service. So let's dive right into it. To begin, head over to your Shopify dashboard, where you'll see a panel on the left side of the screen. From this panel, you'll want to click on the section labeled Apps. This area is essentially your portal to a wide variety of tools that can help enhance your Shopify store. It's like the control center, where you can explore different ways to optimize your business. Whether you need apps for marketing, shipping, or customer engagement, this is where you'll find everything to make your store more efficient. Once you're in the app section, it's time to search for a tool that will allow you to create forms. Simply type in Forms into the search bar. This search should direct you to the app that you'll need for creating customer registration forms. You're looking specifically for an app called Shopify Forms. This app is available in Shopify's App Store and is perfect for setting up the forms you need. Shopify Forms offers a simple, no-code solution for creating forms that can collect everything from contact information to custom order details. After you've located the Shopify Forms app, go ahead and click on it. You'll be taken to a page that provides more information about what this app can do. Be sure to check out the app's screenshots, features, and user reviews to get a sense of how it fits with your needs. Some apps also offer video tutorials or demos, so take advantage of those if they're available. Before you move forward, make sure to review the app's features, ratings, and reviews to ensure it meets your business needs. This will help you avoid any surprises later on. After that, you'll need to click on the Install button, initiating the download and installation process. The beauty of this app is that it's straightforward and integrates smoothly with your existing Shopify store. Once the installation is complete, you can open the app right within your Shopify dashboard. You won't need to leave the platform to manage your forms. This action will take you to a page where you can start designing and customizing your customer registration form. Shopify Forms has a user-friendly interface, so you don't need any technical skills to start creating your form. It's perfect for beginners and seasoned store owners alike. The process is user-friendly and gives you the ability to tailor the form according to the specific information you want to collect from your customers. You can add various fields such as name, email, phone number, and any other details important for your customer database. For example, you could ask for birthday information if you plan to offer discounts on customers' birthdays, or collect a shipping address up front for quicker checkouts. The interface is intuitive, allowing you to drag and drop different field types and organize them according to your preference. You can also set certain fields as mandatory, ensuring that you collect all the necessary information up front. This is especially helpful for ensuring you don't miss important customer details like email addresses or shipping info, which can cause problems later in the fulfillment process. This form will be an integral part of guiding your customers' initial interaction with your store, making their checkout process smooth and efficient. A clean registration form helps build trust with your customers. They feel more comfortable when they can quickly create an account, manage their information, and check out easily. Plus, you can use the data to personalize their shopping experience, offering targeted promotions or a more streamlined service. In conclusion, adding a customer registration form to your Shopify store is an essential step in organizing your customer interactions and enhancing their shopping experience. With Shopify Forms, the process is not only simple, but highly customizable, allowing you to cater to your business's unique needs. Whether you're just getting started or looking to optimize your existing store, having a customer registration form can make a big difference. Make sure to review your form before making it live to ensure it's capturing all the information you need. You don't want to miss out on important customer details, so take your time and test everything first. Thanks for watching, and have fun creating your new customer registration form. Once your form is set up, you'll see how much smoother your customer management becomes. Good luck!